Hi, I'm Halima. I've been called an eco-warrior and a problem solver. My official title is a community facilitator. I work for a local NGO where I support and build the capacity of communities to establish participatory rangeland management, or PRM. Take this community here. Today, they are a well-organized community with men, women, and youth working together to improve the management of their rangelands. Conflicts with other land users have reduced, and with more secure tenure, they are using their own money and time to restore the land, buy improved breeds of livestock, and develop more water points. Biodiversity has increased, and the community is better prepared for drought. But this was not always the case. Oh no! When I first came here 4 years ago, there were a lot of problems. The rangelands were not well managed. Livestock were grazing everywhere, including on farmers' fields, which led to conflicts. The grazing lands were covered with invasive species, some of which were poisonous to livestock. People had stopped caring, and many young people left for cities to find alternative work. This is where I stepped in. My team and I sat down with the community and explained how we could help them improve the management of their rangelands by bringing the community together, agreeing on problems and priorities, establishing a participatory rangeland management plan, and then implementing it. The community agreed, committing their own time and resources. A month later, we started. First, we gathered all the information we could about the rangeland and its users. We started by mapping the rangeland resources. Everyone with a stake in the rangeland came together to create a map right on the ground, using things like leaves, ash, and sticks to show the grazing areas and routes. We marked enclosures, water sources, and settlements, protected areas, wildlife habitats, conflict hotspots, and more. Everyone had a say, and the map was not finished until everyone agreed. It's thirsty work, but I love it. Once the map was done, we took a photo of it, then created a big hand-drawn version, which was later turned into a digital map. We established a rangeland management institution, which is now responsible for overseeing and maintaining commitment to the whole PRM process and represents everyone, including women. We also helped members to develop their leadership and management skills, which brought us to stage 2. With our support, the Rangeland Management Institution drew up a rangeland management plan that considered the different challenges and solutions. In the case of this community, they needed to change grazing rotations to build the health of the land and eventually restore it. Bushes needed to be cleared so that grasses would grow again, and we brought in additional experts to help the community remove invasive species. Our plan also spelled out the roles and responsibilities of community members, resource committees, government, and other stakeholders. There were some who didn't always agree, but my team and I helped to guide the discussions, and eventually everyone was on the same page. We helped to build understanding and trust between rangeland users, which created a strong foundation for better management. We helped to set up an official agreement between the local government and the community to secure resource rights, which provided greater incentives for the community to put their plan into action. The community also needed to invest time and resources to finding extra funding from government and NGOs, with our guidance, of course. Soon enough, they saw their rangelands becoming healthier, their livestock fatter, and the people more peaceful, working together again. Now it's all about monitoring and evaluation to keep the rangeland management plan on track and make the right changes as needed. It's up to the community to continue to implement participatory rangeland management according to their collective vision and plan. If new problems arise, my team and I will happily come back and support the community to resolve them. But for now, my work here is done.